everyone, it's your girl Josie and welcome back to my channel Josie Effect and Tutorials. So today we are going to be talking about scar wax and how to use one as a beginner. And if you're a special effect artist too, of course you're welcome. So let's go into the video. I have 3 scar wax products I'm sharing with you guys today, and the first one is this scar wax that I got from Bangor FX. This particular scar wax is a very good one, and thank God for the first time I got the one that suits my skin color. Now when you want to work with scar wax, either homemade or the one you bought or you're buying from any brand, know that scar wax can be messy and you will need something to scoop it out. Here I'm using a spatula, which is most of the time the best thing to use. Get yourself a spatula, a metal spatula, to scoop the scar wax. So after that, most scar wax is actually activated by mild heat, gentle heat, and your body heat is just enough to soften the scar wax so that it will be easy for you to use. As you can see, when I scooped it out, it seemed firm, but after now, very easy to use. So this second one is the bone wax from Bangor, and this one is particularly very good as well, and they almost do the same thing. It's just that this one, as the name implies, bone wax can be used for different things. Another good thing about scar wax is that it's very easy to blend, it's very easy to work with, and it doesn't take long to work with. So all you need to do is scoop. I'll show you right now after this particular one how to just make a simple open cut with scar wax. So it's quite easy to blend, it's quite easy to work with. It can be messy, so please get yourself foundation or Vaseline to help with the blending and smoothing, so that it will not be sticky to your hands while you work. So this is the third one, which is my homemade scar wax. I'm so sorry I lost the clip while filming this. I didn't show the beginning, but this particular one I made it myself, and it is very easy to use and very easy to make. So with this one I am going to show you how to create a very simple open cut, and please follow me as I do. So right now I placed a very small amount of scar wax on my skin. Mind you, I already prepped my skin because it's very important to prep your skin before using scar wax. I prepped my skin by cleaning my skin with alcohol. Then I applied adhesive. I used spirit gum. You can use Proced, you can use any good adhesive. So I ensure that the adhesive is a bit tacky and very stretchy before applying the scar wax. So I lost that clip in the previous video. So right now I'm trying to blend the scar wax onto my skin. Like I said earlier, if you're finding it difficult to blend, please get yourself foundation or concealer or Vaseline to blend it down. So afterwards I went to my foundation, a foundation that matches exactly with my skin tone. So I use foundation to press it in, and I'm trying to blend the foundation with my finger because I don't know why, but if I use brush, I don't know, the breeze of the brush may pick up the tiny detail where I blended the scar wax. So a lot of times I prefer using my hand for small areas like this. So as it is, we are quite done with that. You will notice that the wax is quite shiny, like really shinier than the normal skin. So I went in to powder it down. You may use a translucent powder or your normal brown pressed powder. It's just to remove the shine basically. On a normal circumstance, when something like this happens naturally to someone, that place is a place of impact is always swollen, shiny normally. So the essence of this is just to remove the excess shiny or excess feel of the wound itself. And so we make a small cut to the wound. Then we'll try to give the wound some details, because you just don't make a straight cut and boom, you have blood. No, you try to make some definitions, some specifications inside the wound, make it 3D kind of. So you just try to dress your wound, and we are ready to paint. So right here I'm applying a flesh color paint to the wound. So like this, it's giving a raw flesh feel. And now to the surrounding areas, you can make use of your color palette. You can make use of scar blood, but this scar blood, I'm using it lightweight. Do you get? So I apply it around to give the feel of, bruise feel, to give the feel of okay, something is happening here. So after that, I went in directly into the wound itself with scab blood. Now some people, they will make some cuts and boom, they will just pop blood all over. The details of the wound, everything gone. But I'm telling you today, I'm putting this to you. If you want a very realistic look, try not to overshadow your details, your work with so much blood. So here I did not even use any running or stage blood at all. I only applied little of scar blood. Scar blood is the same as coagulated blood or blood gel. Yeah, so I only applied just very little amount into the wound. Basically that is it. And if you want another feel, another effect, you can actually remove if you want a feel of this thing is very, 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 very fresh and they only cleaned up the excess blood around it. All you need to do is just remove the blood gel inside, and as you can see, it looks as if this thing is very, 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 very fresh, but they have cleaned up the blood. So basically that is all for this video, how to make use of scar wax and in different types, how to blend and make a simple open wound, and we've shown different stages. So thank you so much for watching to this point. I want to implore you, if you're new to my channel and you want to see more of this, kindly subscribe to my channel and kindly share to your friends. Bye.